Hi guys, and welcome to the video. What are we doing today, you might add? We're not going to be talking about the Windgoo B3 or the Windgoo B20. We're going to be talking about new products that Windgoo are planning on launching. So I spent the last hour or so on a Zoom call with China, with the marketing people over there, discussing the new products they're looking to launch going into 2022. And they're really impressed with the work that I've been doing within the Windgoo world, as it were. I've got no reason why, they don't pay me to do these or anything like that. It was just something that I picked up on when I started my YouTube channel, something that I've been tinkering around with, something I use every day, and something that I do like. And I liked the fact that Windgoo have reached out and want to use my information and the knowledge that I've gathered from within my community. And by my community, I mean you guys there, the ones asking me questions about things, the ones leaving comments about, they're inspired, they've just bought one, what do I use it for, asking the questions about how far can it go, what's the maximum speed you can get out of it, any questions about the parts. But they wanted to use the community information that I've got, the feedback from you guys, to help decide what products that they should launch moving forward into 2022. So I spoke to them in depth today about that, looked at sort of 5 or 6 different bikes they might be bringing out. They haven't made final decisions yet on what they're going to bring, but it does look interesting. They've got some new small foldables which they're going to be launching, hopefully. Different coloured bikes as well, so instead of it just being the black, they've also got some bigger end bikes, more not off-roady bikes, but like a proper bike. You see it and you wouldn't know it was a Windgoo or an electric bike until you got up close. You've got all the new ones look like they're coming with suspension of some sort, so you're going to have front suspension on some, rear suspension on most of them, all front and rear brake discs now. I said to them that they're going to need to improve the braking on the bikes, and they also agreed on that one, so this has been worked on through from it all. Then a lot of them have got 7-speed Shimano gears on it now as well. So instead of like this one where you've just got the one gear that speeds it, and obviously when you get up to speed, the pedals become redundant because you can't actually use them because the bike's going too quick. So now they've got 7-speed Shimano gears coming on them, so therefore you can actually have pedal assist rather than just having full electric bike with a pedal push start as we were on the bikes now. They've got different style ones for different situations. They've got city bikes coming out. They're not going to be getting all of them. They're still trying to work out which ones they want to buy or invest in or develop. And that's why Chloe from there, she's given me a survey that she wants me to fill in, and she also wants me to put out to the community, to you guys. If you want to help shape the Windgoos in a way, giving your feedback about why you've bought yours, what you want to use it for, what you do use it for. As I say, in the link below will be the link for the survey, and I'll also pause it now for the QR code. If you guys want to scan the QR code, or I'll put it in the corner, you want to scan the QR code, then you can go to the survey yourself and just leave it. So also, with that said, if you guys haven't already done it, like the channel, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below if there's anything you think that they should definitely implement on their new purchases moving forward, something that you think the Windgoos are missing, or things that you like about them and you think they should keep, like the foldability of the bikes, or the weight, or the wheel size, or anything like that. Any comments that you put to me, they read, or I speak to them. I'm going to be having weekly Zoom calls with them now, giving them my feedback about everything that I get from you guys. So it's all good stuff. So so this is just a snippet of watch this space, because they are going to be releasing some new bikes coming forward into the 2022. They don't look like these bikes. They are looking a bit more sleeker, and they're going to be sending me out first chance on the products as well. So when I get the products, I'll be doing the video straight to you, and that'll probably be pre-release. So watch this space, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.